Radio Riyadh English service. Now back to Sports World on Radio Riyadh English service. Welcome back. We're still with our guest over the phone. Now we also have each one for us, Dr. Fadi Graini. He's a former player of the Shabab club and also one of the prominent sport analysts. Dr. Fadi, thank you very much for joining us in the program. First of all, before we just move to other topics, we are concerned about the Asian Championship and also the King Cup. But before we go to that, let's talk about our Premier League now. We see the end of our Premier League. The top one is the Al and the two teams who dropped Hajar and Al-Wahda. Did you expect such things to happen at the end of this Premier League from the beginning?